recording. I'm going to show you how to calculate the mean and standard deviation of a probability distribution using the calculator. So first we're going to enter our variable x, a random variable x, as a list. So I go in, my list is full, so I'm going to hit data again. I'm going to clear list 1. I'm going to hit data again and clear list. I'm going to need two lists. Let's clear all of them as long as we're here. I'm going to need two lists, list 1 and list 2. I'm going to enter the values for x. This is for rolling two dice and adding up the total. So the smallest number could be is 2, and then it can be every integer up until 12. I'm just entering each one of those possible outcomes as an element in this list. And then in the second list, I'm going to enter the probabilities. That's what we're going to use for our frequency. So let's see if it will take a fraction. 1 divided by 36. Looks good. 2 divided by 36. Now remember how there was a pattern to this? 3 divided by 36. 4 divided by 36. 5 divided by 36. 6 divided by 36. And 7 divided by... Right, it goes back down to 5 now. Sorry, my bad. Delete, delete. 8 is back to 5 divided by 36. 4 divided by 36. 3 divided by 36. 2 divided by 36. And 1 divided by 36. All right. Now, in this column, the second column, I'm listing all the probabilities. So the probability of rolling a 10 is 0.0833. I just entered it as 3 divided by 36, the fraction. All right, and now we're going to go and do second data. That gets us into the stats menu. I want to do one variable stats, one variable. We're using L1 as the data. The frequency, though, was in L2, so move the cursor over so that list 2 is the frequency. That's our probability. And now click Calc. And we see our mean. We got an error for the sample, but don't worry about that. The mean is 7, and there's our standard deviation, 2.415, the same thing we got when we did it by hand a minute ago.